Hey Insulators, we're here in Southwest Houston. This is Gerald and this is Francisco. They are with Houston Attic Insulation.
We've had a great morning. Barry has sold us a great machine, the CM2400. We've just put it together, ready for the truck to go out and do what it do. Barry and his wife has done a great job. So we're very happy with the insulation right now, the machine and everything else.
Ok, les recomiendo a ese señor que viene para acá.
Barry?
Recomienda es mejor servicio que nos dio aquí en Houston, Texas. Gracias por el servicio aquí.
We had a great time this morning. We added some more insulation to his own house. He can be a little bit cooler tonight. Looking forward to having many more years of experience with you. You guys have my name, you have my number, and anytime you need help, as always, just give us a call.
Thank you.